Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at what's going to be a very quiet week and a half of weather here across the Arklatex today. You can see that mix of clouds and sunshine across the area. Early this afternoon, temperatures mainly in the lower 80s across the area, and it looks like we will end up in the middle 80s before it's all said and done. For the rest of the afternoon, we'll continue to see that mix of clouds and sunshine. Still kind of doubt we'll see much as far as any rain, as if we do, it's going to be very, very, very isolated, and most of the Arklatex will stay dry today, and we will see a clear to partly cloudy sky tonight. Robin Surrey, the Futurecast shows plenty of sunshine tomorrow with, again, a few clouds mixing in as we warm back up into the middle 80s for daytime highs. Lows tonight, by the way, will be pretty close to normal in the low to middle 60s. Going through tomorrow night, expect a mostly clear sky, and it will get a little bit cooler at night this weekend with lows in the lower 60s. Some 50s will be possible in spots. And going into Saturday, we will see the continuation of the dry weather pattern with lots of sunshine and, again, just a few clouds mixing in with that sunshine during the afternoon Saturday. And this pattern will probably repeat itself each day through pretty much all of next week, as we're going to see a little bit drier air sneak in here for the next couple of days. Dew points today in the upper 60s to low 70s will fall into the upper 50s to low 60s for pretty much all of the next week. So a little bit of a break in the humidity will prevent any significant chances of rain, and really no big disturbances to speak of. There is one over the southwestern U.S., which will weaken as it moves to the east. Another one, this model does show an upper level low developing over the Midwest next weekend, possibly bringing our only chance for some rain next weekend. But most models show that if we do see some, it will not be very much, with amounts probably a tenth of an inch or less. So a forecast for tonight, expect a mostly clear sky. Temperatures will mainly be in the low to middle 60s. Notice some locations tonight dipping into the 50s. 58 degrees in both Hope as well as Indy Queen, 62 in Texarkana, and 65 in Shreveport. Tomorrow we'll see plenty of sunshine with a few clouds mixed in. Daytime highs will climb back up for the most part into the low to middle 80s, 86 in Shreveport, 84 in Texarkana, and 85 degrees for the high temperature in Natchitoches. Your 10-day forecast shows that temperatures will warm up a bit during the day, as highs will eventually end up close to 90 for much of next week. Lows after low 60s this weekend return to the upper 60s by the end of the week. And again, if we see anything as far as rain, probably a 10% chance or less as we look ahead to next weekend. So warm and dry and pretty much normal temperature-wise, the theme and weather here for not only this weekend, but pretty much all of next week.